Namaskar. I am Bhavani Swaminathan, founder of Akanksha Desire for Wellness. In this video, I am going to share something related to mudras, and earlier also I had uploaded a few mudra videos wherein I had showed the benefits of mudras and how do we perform these mudras. So in this video, I would like to share about a mudra which is called as Apana Vayu Mudra, or it is also called as Sanjeevani Mudra. So if you have missed my previous videos on mudra therapy and different types of mudras, so you can watch those videos. The link is given in the description. So today, coming on to the mudras, that is Sanjeevani Mudra or Apana Vayu Mudra. So before we understand how to do this Apana Vayu Mudra or Sanjeevani Mudra, as the name itself suggests, it works like Sanjeevani Booty. So basically, people who have any problem related to heart and hypertension and breathlessness, these people, it works like Sanjeevani Booty, this mudra. So before we start Apana Vayu Mudra or the Sanjeevani Mudra, I would like to tell this, that the 5 fingers represents 5 elements. So basically, this is called as Panch Mahabhutas. The way we have in the external environment is composed of 5 different elements. Same way inside our body also these 5 elements are there. So these 5 fingers represent 5 elements. So the thumb represents fire, index finger represents air, middle finger represents space, the ring finger represents earth, and the little finger represents water. So basically, when we keep our fingers in different positions, which means we are trying to balance all these elements. So talking about the Sanjeevani Mudra or Apana Vayu Mudra, so it is done in this way. The tip of the index finger touches the base of the thumb like this, and the 3 fingers, that is the middle finger, ring finger, and the tip of the thumb touching each other. Only the little finger is straight like this. So we sit comfortably in this position in Apana Vayu Mudra or Sanjeevani Mudra. So when we practice this mudra, people who are hypertensive, who have any issue related to heart, breathlessness, it is very effective for these people. So generally this mudra has to be performed for a minimum 40 to 50 minutes a day, and people ask this question, that how is it possible to sit in one place for 40 to 50 minutes at a stretch. So in this case, you need not sit at a stretch for 40 to 50 minutes. At least in a day we can give break. So say for example 15 minutes a day when we are doing pranayam or meditation, we can sit in this mudra. And even while going for walk, we can do this mudra. But ideally the mudras have to be performed when we are sitting in a relaxing state. But if you do not get time, if you are too busy, then even while going for the morning walk or evening walk, we can keep our fingers in this mudra. So once you start practicing this mudra for 40 to 50 minutes in a day, so you will find immense change in your health. And this is very effective, because basically we are trying to decrease the air element, because the tip of the air element, that is the index finger, is touching the base of the thumb, which means we are decreasing the air element. In Ayurveda, this is called as Vata Rog. So anything related to, any issue related to Vata might create certain problems which is related to hypertension or heart related problems. So when we are doing this, is called as Vayu Mudra. So basically this Apana Vayu Mudra is a combination of Vayu Mudra, and this is called as Apana Mudra. So when we do these two together, this is called as Apana Vayu Mudra. So the thing we need to remember is, when we are touching any tip of any finger, when it touches the base of the thumb, which means we are trying to decrease that element. So in this case, when the tip of this index finger touches the base of the thumb, which means we are decreasing the air element, and rest all the elements, the tip of the fingers are touching each other, which means we are balancing the space element, the earth element and the fire element. So this becomes Apana Vayu Mudra or Sanjeevani Mudra, which is very, very beneficial for people suffering with breathlessness, heart problems and hypertension. So this mudra has to be performed at least 40 to 50 minutes in a day. You can give break. If you are able to sit for 30 minutes at a stretch, that will be very, very beneficial. Coming on to one last thing, because people ask, they don't believe that how mudras can work. So you believe it or you do not believe it. Mudras are going to work. It is something like, I would like to give this example. So when I want to boil milk, what I do, I go to the kitchen, I switch on my gas burner, I keep a utensil, cut the packet of the milk and putting milk in that utensil, and the burner is on, and I go out of the kitchen doing some other work in my bedroom or in my living room, and the milk is going to boil. Why? Because we have switched on the burner. Same way, when we start practicing mudra, so there are certain electrical impulses, there are certain, like this particular thumb, when we talk about the thumb acts like a charger. So we need a different charger for different mobiles. So in case of iPhone, we cannot use some other charger for iPhone. For OnePlus, we have to use OnePlus charger only. So basically this thumb acts like a charger. So when we are touching the finger, or when we are putting the finger on the base of the thumb, so in these different ways, we are trying to balance all the elements, that is, which we call it as Panch Mahabhutas. So if you have this problem, and if one more thing, just would like to add it on, if you are a diabetic, so then you can go only for this Apana Mudra. So basically I wanted to share in this video detailed information of Apana Vayu Mudra, which is also called as Sanjeevani Mudra. So in my upcoming videos, you will find many more mudras wherein I will be sharing the details of those mudras. So please do like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. And if you have any query, the number is given. You can call or you can WhatsApp and ask. So thank you for watching this video.